Hello, my name is Gydde, and now I will show you how to do all the necessary activities on ClipFinance. ClipFinance is a best platform for staking. Let's start the activity. First, you need to go to gydde.com and go to the competition itself. Click on the green button. It is important to mention that ClipFinance supports such networks as Linear, BNB, and Base. They also passed the audit from 3 Sigma and SphereX. They also attracted investments for $1 million. First, we need to make a bridge of coins in a Linear. Connect MetaMask. Sign the transaction. First, your wallet should have stablecoins and some native coins for commission. Now my money is in the BNB blockchain. To get them there, you can replenish the balance from the exchange or make a bridge from another network. So, go to the ClipFinance website, Bridge. Here we choose the BNB blockchain. Choose USDC or Tether. Here we choose Linear. Next, enter the amount. It should be more than 25 Ors. Click Approve. Sign the transaction. Confirm. Wait. We also need ETH for commission payment. In the same way, we exchange our tokens from another network for ETH. Confirm. Now go to this tab. ClipFinance, Multi-Strategy, Vault. First select Linear Blockchain, change the network. Now select the amount from 25s. The more points you get. Select the time, click on this button. Next. Approve. Click Deposit. Great, we have completed the competition. I hope you understand how to bridge money in Linear correctly and put them in multi-strategy. Vault. Subscribe to the channel. With you was the Gydde. Bye.